And our focus is all around the transition from plastic to paper packaging. The issue with paper is that it's sustainable, but it's not waterproof. So actually we invented a general coating machine. We coat paper to give it the properties of plastic, but it can be recycled just like paper. UCL brings a number of things to Archipelago: skilled people, much better equipment, and they also have a deeper scientific understanding of what we're trying to do. One specific outcome is that we've been able to refine the details of the coating process through the work that we've been doing with UCL. We have a knowledge transfer partnership, and then we also have masters projects. We set up experiments where we're using our core power drop machine, but we're looking at it using UCL's high-speed cameras. By working with UCL, we're able to understand not just what's happening, but why it's happening. That's work that is directly fed into the design of the practical engineered product. The academics, they create a very deep understanding of the systems, but also they develop the tools to analyze them. So what we're able to do is pluck out something that academics may have developed over 5 years and apply it to a problem that we've got and solve it in a week.